Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jayani Withanawasam from Zaizi R&D team. So today I'll be presenting on intelligent enterprise cross-media search solution, which we came up with in collaboration with MICO. So in this presentation, first I will explain introduce what MICO is, and we'll explain what we are doing at Zaizi, and then we'll move on to the problem which we are trying to address, and mainly the importance of the problem, and then we will be focusing on our solution and how we implemented it using different artificial intelligence techniques. And finally, we will see a few business scenarios which we have applied this solution. So Zaizi is mainly focusing on enterprise content management systems. Basically, the main focus is to assisting customers to organize their content better with less effort. And MICO is a European funded research project which we are collaborating with, and their main focus is cross-media analysis solutions. So in this presentation we will see how we have integrated these two solutions to come up with a better user experience. So before going into the problem, so I will ask you a few questions from you. So how many of you use smart devices, some form of smart devices? So it can be a tablet or smartphone, anything. So as we can see in this audience, the use of these devices has been increased vastly. And also another question, is there anyone who has never accessed a video in YouTube or never uploaded a video in YouTube? So there's only one user. And anyone who has not uploaded a photo in Facebook? So okay. There are two people. So the idea is, when we are using this type of smart devices which is capable of creating and sharing and accessing different content forms, the volume of this content has been increasing vastly. So the question is how we can organize this content, because it is very difficult for us to do it manually when the content is large. So in our solution, that is what we are trying to address. So this project is called MICO. It stands for Media in Context. So basically, it is providing cross-media analysis platform for online multimedia producers. So by cross-media, what we are meaning is different types of content forms. It can be video, image, or audio. So going back into my previous YouTube example, if you take a YouTube video, what are the content forms you can see? So basically, if you take YouTube video, you can see some video stream. And also there will be audio stream, and also you can see some textual content in maybe like in the comments, likewise. So that is how our content currently is. So it's not just text. So here's the MICO workflow which we have used in our solution. So in this MICO workflow, the first step is cross-media extraction. Here we are trying to extract some metadata from different content forms, and then we need to store this metadata in accessible format in this cross-media metadata publishing step. And then once we store this data, we need to query this using cross-media querying. And also, we can use this in an application as a recommendation, that is cross-media recommendation. So, in cross-media extraction, what we are doing is we are using different types of analysis component to analyze different content forms. For example, if you are having image sequence of a video, what we are going to do is we can use object detection in machine learning to analyze this content. And also we can use face recognition to identify the people in the video. So also when there's audio stream, we can use automatic speech recognition to analyze the audio stream and get some audio output. And also we can use some natural language processing techniques such as named entity recognition and sentiment analysis to analyze the textual content and get some insights. So during cross-media metadata publishing, we need to store this extracted metadata in a form which is easy to access. So in our case, we are using RDF, we are storing them as RDF format. And basically how we are storing this is, we will be storing content and different content parts. For example, for a video, when we get different content metadata from different analysis components, we will be storing them as different content parts. So cross-media querying is done using SparkQuell. Because we have stored this content as RDF format. So here we have added new extension to SparkQuell called SparkQuell MA, that is SparkQuell Multimedia. So there we have given some additional facilities to store more data about video content. So there the application is, let's say we have a video on a film, let's say Titanic. So in Titanic, if you want to get some specific scenes, let's say where the Leonardo DiCaprio is featuring, or maybe Kate for some of you, then if we want to extract those exact scenes, then what we can do is we can analyze them using face recognition and then store them in a particular format, so that you don't have to go through the entire video to find those, detect those scenes. So the next one is cross-media recommendations. I think this is somewhat similar to YouTube recommendations. When we give a dog like this, maybe we can get some other dog videos. So now we know what we have done in this platform. So in this here I will explain how we have implemented this solution. So basically when we add a content into our platform, it will be added to this message queue, which is implemented in RabbitMQ, and then it will go through it will go through an analysis chain with different analysis components. So in this case, the integration of these analysis components are done using Apache Camel. So for example, if you take a video, we first get the important shots using shot detection, and then we will get the image sequence and analyze for different objects or faces. And also the audio stream will be analyzed using speech to text analysis component. And likewise, we have different analysis component to get some more metadata for the content. So it's a kind of enriched form of the content. And then we will be saving that in Apache Mammoth with this linked data platform in RDF format, and we will be querying using SparkQuell. And in this solution, to search this additional metadata and search this content, we are using Apache Solr. And the actual content will be saved in HDFS distributed file system. And also we have come up with some endpoint APIs where end users can access them in different ways. So these are few use cases in MICO. So Sooniverse, they have used MICO to classify the images, and Inside Out is using this for video news use case. Basically, that is video extracting metadata from videos. So I'll not be going into detail into their scenarios, but you can read it in our blog. So Zaizi is our use case, which we have integrated MICO in our solution, Enterprise Multimedia Content Management. So there what we have come up with is Intelligent Enterprise Cross-Media Search. So the last slide, this is on, here we will introduce Sensify. Sensify is a federated search solution where it facilitates to read from multiple repositories, such as Alfresco, SharePoint, and FileNet. And we will be indexing this content in a manner you can search across these repositories. So before we index, we can analyze this content using different transformation connectors. So in Sensify, we have come up with a transformation connector where we can analyze different media types in different content forms before indexing. And then once it is analyzed, it will go to Apache Solr. So I think I gave a brief introduction about our project, and if you want any more details about this project, you can visit these links. Thank you.